And yeah, my first motorcycle video on this channel. I haven't told you guys that I bought my first motorcycle in 2023. I've been a rider basically since 2011, since I got my driver's license, but I didn't own any motorcycles until 2023. I eventually got my first bike, a Honda Rebel 500, brand new, and I used it for 1 year or 3,000 kilometers, and now I have a Honda NC750X, which I absolutely love because it's super versatile. I added some nice windproofing accessories, handguards, high windshield, and it's super economical, practical, agile, lightweight, and it has a very low center of gravity since the engine is oriented at the bottom, I would say. And it's absolutely nice. I like this bike. I'm not planning to sell it pretty soon. I may get another touring bike in the future. I'm into touring bikes. I like touring, going on trips. I'll be going on my first trip next month with a friend who has a sport bike, and we will be going to Greece, from Romania to Greece, and I think it will be a fun experience. We will be posting our trip day after day and summary after that. I'm still a beginner. I only have around 5,000 kilometers since I started riding bikes, even if I have over 15 years since I got my driver's license. And I will share with you my experiences on the way to becoming a more experienced biker. No issues so far, no damages, no drops, nothing until now. This motorcycle has been also bought brand new. It has, as you can see, only 2,200 kilometers. So far so good. We'll see what happens next. So yeah, I love this motorcycle because it has a high displacement, a relatively high displacement of 755cc. It's a 2-cylinder. It has low end torque, almost 70 Newton meters. It revs only until 7,000 RPM. Because this engine is derived from a car engine, to be more specific, the Honda Jazz, which had a 1.5 engine, inline 4. This engine has been split into half, and voila, you have this motorcycle engine, which is very reliable. It's very popular in many countries. It's very popular for rentals because it's so versatile. You have this 23 liter front boot or frunk. It's economical, it's reliable, cheap to maintain, not very expensive when you buy it brand new, around 9,000 euros, around 10 if you buy it with a DCT, and I find it very fun. I'm usually very defensive. I don't speed that much, I don't drive fast, I don't ride fast. When I mean fast, I mean what you see on YouTube, like 150 kilometers in first gear on sport bikes. You won't see that in this channel because it's dangerous in my opinion. I'm a grown-up, responsible man. I have a family, I have a wife, I have a child, so I won't be doing stupid stuff to put myself into danger and others as well. So I'm very excited actually that I got my first bike in 2023. I was a little bit afraid, to be honest with you, but a friend convinced me to get a bike, and I got one. very noob friendly bike, the Honorable 500, which has a low seat. You basically cannot drop it. It's almost impossible to drop it. There are many nice places to tour around Romania, which we will discover together, and I'm planning to do at least one Euro trip, let's say, every year. We'll be starting the first one in May, Greece, as I told you. Sorry if I didn't tell you until now that I got a bike and I also drive bikes. If you want to see more motorcycle related content on this channel, let me know. I mean about engines, maintenance, accessories, pops, POVs and so on. Drop a like if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.